Hey there, welcome to the channel. Are you looking for a quick and easy guide on how to cancel a Zelle payment? You've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to cancel a Zelle payment before it's too late. Let's get started. Before we dive into the details, here's an important note. Zelle payments are usually instant and can't be canceled once they've been processed. However, if the recipient hasn't enrolled in Zelle yet, you may still have time to cancel the payment. So act quickly. First, open your banking app or the standalone Zelle app depending on how you sent the payment. Now go to the activity or transaction section. Here you'll see a list of recent payments. Find the payment you want to cancel. Now check the status of the payment. If it stays pending, you're in luck. This means that the recipient hasn't enrolled in Zelle yet and you can cancel it. Click on the pending payment and look for the cancel payment option. Confirm your cancellation and that's it. Your funds will be returned to your account shortly. To sum it up, you can only cancel a Zelle payment if the recipient hasn't enrolled yet. Always double check the recipient's details before sending money to avoid any mistakes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips like this. Got any questions or topics you want us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.